the climate control in the Range Rover. So from any screen, if I click climate there, you'll see there climate off. To turn it on, you basically have to have the fan on, and then you can turn the temperature up either individual sides. Well, actually these 4 zones. So you've got here, that's going on my feet, that's going on the screen. Also, if you go into settings, you'll see there off, low, medium, high, low, medium, high, and you've got auto heated screens. Range Rover's got a front heated screen and a rear heated screen, so both those are switched on. Great accessories then. Sync. Now, if the driver in charge, if you want to be, if it's just you in the car and you want the same settings on each side, if I click sync there, you'll see there 23.5 there and 26.5 there. Click sync, that's gone up to 26.5, so that's your zone, you're in charge of this zone. The passenger, like my girlfriend, she's either too hot or too cold, never just right, so she's got her own zone there and can control it, and I'm fine over here. Then you've also got the rear climate, and the rear climate is off, so if I click there, then you've got the controls up for the rear climate. You can set the left side. Again, you've also got switches here like that. You see that switch there and that switch like so. I can turn the fan up and then over to the other side and move in that, and then with a bit of luck you'll be able to hear the fan in the back too. That's going away. It's a really, I mean, also I can knock the rear fan down from the drivers. If you're controlling it for your kids, you want to send them to sleep, then take the heat up. Just a suggestion. So the climate control in a Range Rover it's really good. I mean, if you can't get comfortable in a Range Rover, go. There's no hope for you.